Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and I am a UI UX designer with having a 4 years of experience. Today I am going to review a UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better and covers all the parameters according to my recommendation. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX designer program, fellowship program by NextLeap. And if we go with the stats, it's 100 plus hours live classes there. 4 months duration is there. Mentorship and placement is also there. And if we go down, 1500 plus successful placements of their students are there. And these are the modules about thinking in design, research, framing, ideation, UX foundations. Case studies also there on different companies like YouTube, Amazon, Flipkart. And if we go down, it's all the 12-week module in which they will guide you about the Android material design, UX portfolio presentation is also there, and it's a AI advantage course. They are also focused on AI skills and AI assisted learning. And if we go down, the fees of the course is 36,999, almost 37,000. So it's a genuine fees. And if we go down, these are the faculty feedback and 1 year placement support is there. Resumes review and interview with hiring partners are there. That a good thing they are providing in today's UI UX courses. And the average salary they have mentioned is 8 to 12 lakh and the highest is 31 lakh. As it's depend mainly on the student ability and skills, that how much he or she can crack a job or how much he or she can crack a salary. So it's depend on the student skills. So it's a success stories like testimonials of their students. And if we go with the stats, 20% college students are there, 80% working professionals who want to switch their career into this profession, as I mentioned earlier. And if we go down, live section is there, weekly project is there, mentor feedback is there. If we tools they are covered is Figma, Jira, Lullabable, Adobe After Effects, Protofy. Like Miro is missing, FitJam, Figma Make, some of AI tools which are important in the UI UX term, and also XP and Adobe Sketch in terms of designing about the layout and wireframing. XP, mostly companies require XP and Adobe Sketch, so I think that tools also need to be added here. And if we go down, it's all the schedule, structure, and all. This is our words. The thing is, it's a good course overall, but there are few lackings are there. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum will be 1, fundamental they have covered 1, UI design quality is 1, case studies and hand-on project is there 1, tools and software training is 0.5 because XP, Adobe Sketch and some of AI tools like Miro, Figma Make, FitJams are missing. Mentorship feedback as they providing portfolio development, they are also helping in that. Placement and career support is there. Course value fees is again 1. And industry relevance update I would give 0.5 because it can be improved in terms of softwares, in terms of fundamentals, in terms of duration. Like it can be extended like their modules for an advanced UI UX term. So it's a 9 out of 10 and it's a good course. You can definitely pursue that course. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters in this list and covers all the weightage related to UI UX fundamentals, related to design quality, and also helping placement and career support after completion of the course. Also help you in guiding about the mentorship and feedback when you complete the course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Rest, if you have any comment or if you have any query related to UI UX program, you can definitely drop your comment. I will definitely help you guys. Thank you.